Good morning, KG1. How are you today? Today we're going to review together the two last sounds that we have learned and the two last numbers. Okay, so let's go together quickly to the first sound and see what was the story. Yes, who can tell me what is this sound? Yes, very good. It's the y sound. So what was the story behind the y? These children, they were at school and it was lunchtime, so they were eating their yogurt. Okay, they were very happy, they were enjoying it a lot, and they would say, yogurt is very yummy. Okay, so what is this sound? What sound did the children do? Very good, it's the y sound. Okay, while eating, they were very happy, they started to sing. They said, I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah. Let's listen to it together.
I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah.
Very good. Okay, so what is this sound, KG1? Yes, it's the y sound. This is the big y, or the capital one, and this is the small y. Okay, the name of the letter is Y. However, whenever we say it, what sound shall we do? Very good, it's the y sound. Okay, now let's review together what words start with the sound y. First we have the yo-yo, yo-yo. We also have this color yellow, yellow. Yarn, yogurt. And the last word we have is yawn, yawn. This baby here, it is yawning. Okay, so let's say the words together again. Yo-yo, yellow, yarn, yogurt, and yawn. Very good, KG1. Now, let's see, how do you write the sound ya? Do you remember our very nice 3 lines? Now, for the capital ya, we're going to start from the upper line, do a slanted line to the left, from the upper line again, slanted line, and then straight line down. Very good. For the small ya, from the middle line, we're going to do a slanted line to the right, from the middle line again, a long slanted line down to the left. That's very good, KG1. Now we have finished the sound ya. Let's move on to our next sound. Who can tell me what was this sound? Who remembers? Yes, very good. It's the x sound. Okay, what is the story around the x sound? Let's remember it. This little boy, he fell down and he hurt his arm. So he went to the doctor at the hospital, okay, and she did for him an x-ray. Okay, can you see here? This is the copy of his x-ray. Then when he went home, his friends started to play with him and do as if they were taking an x-ray. They would do the sound x, x, x-ray, x, x, x-ray. Okay, so what is this sound that the boy did, that his friend did? It's a x sound. Okay, now the boys were very excited about that and they started to sing. What did they say? They said, x, x, take an x-ray, x, x, take an x-ray, x, x, take an x-ray, x-ray of my hand. Let's listen to the song together.
X, x, take an x-ray, x, x, take an x-ray, x, x, take an x-ray, x-ray of my hand.
Very good. So what is this sound, KG1? Yes, it's x. This is the capital X, or the big one, and this is the small x. Okay, the name of the letter is X. However, whenever we say it, what sound shall we do? Yes, very good. It's x sound. Now, let's see what words have x in it. First, we have X-ray. X, X-ray. Good. The next word we have fox. Can you hear x at the end of the word here? Fox. And we have box. Can you hear x? It's at the end. Box. So let's say them again. X-ray, fox, and box. Very good. Now let's see, how do we write the sound x? Again, we have our very nice 3 lines. For the capital X, we're going to start from the upper line, do a very long slanted line to the right, then from the upper line again, do a slanted line to the left. For the small x, we're going to do the same from the middle line. Slanted line to the right, slanted line to the left. Very good. Now we finished the 2 sounds. Let's move over to our numbers. Okay, the first number that we had studied is number 19. 1 and 9. That is what is this number now? Good, it's 19. Can you say after me? 19. Now, I want to count 19 apples. Let's count together. Can you count with me? Come on, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, very clever, KG1. Now you can count till 19. Now, so how do we write the 19? It's a 1. Can you see? Here is 1 and 9. Very good. So 1 and 9 makes what, KG1? Yes, it's 19. Very good. Now, what is the number after 19? Who can tell me? Yes, very clever. It's 20. 2 and 0 makes 20. 2 and 0 makes 20. So this is the number 20. Let's count together 20 flowers. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good, KG1. So these are 20 flowers, okay? And to write 20, how do we write it? It's a 2 and then a 0. So 2 and 0, it's 20. Very good, KG1. Now, let's practice some addition now. Okay, first, who can tell me what is this sign? Yes, I can hear you. You're very clever. It's a plus sign. And this is an equal. Good. So plus and equal. Now, first I want to add 7 and 3. So we have 7 plus 3. How can I do this? First, we have to look for the bigger number. Which one is bigger? Yes, very good. The 7 is bigger. So I'm going to put the 7 in my mind and the 3 on my fingers. Now, I have 7 on my mind. I will start to count. After 7, it's 8, 9, 10. So 7 plus 3 equals, very good, equals 10. Now, let's do another one. We have 3 and 5. So 3 plus 5. How can I do this? First, we're going to look for the bigger number. Which number is bigger? Yes, very clever. The 5 is bigger. So I'm going to put the 5 in my mind and 3 on my fingers. Now start to count. I have 5 in my mind. After 5 is 6, 7, 8. So 3 plus 5 equals 8. Very good, KG1. Let's do one more. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 equals how many, KG1? How can I do that? Very clever. First, I'm going to look for the bigger number, which is the 4. I'm going to put the 4 in my mind and the 2 on my fingers. Now start to add. I have 4 in my mind. After 4 comes 5, 6. So 4 plus 2 equals, very good, 6. Wow, you're very clever, KG1. We finished our revision for this week. I'm very happy and very proud of you. And I'm going to say goodbye now and see you next time, inshallah. Goodbye, KG1.